Let's move to another entity. This one also another pattern recognition. Even with low power, you can appreciate this as a enucleation sample. But if you draw a line to cross this tumor, kind of symmetric and well demarcated, so from this feature, really suspicious, just a benign tumor. What catch your eye is this dark area. Basaloid cell seems really hypercellular here. Let's zoom in what's going on. Look at this basaloid cell, primitive basaloid cell. You may think, oh, it should be something malignant. But from the architecture, we already know that it's to be benign. If you go to really high power to see cell, you will find tons of mitosis. The nucleus may be really tight, really hypercellular. But combined with other feature, this is primitive matrix cell, basaloid matrix cell. And then there are some cells kind of ischemic, so-called necrosis, because this cell lose their nucleus. We call this ghost cell. So combine this basaloid cell, ghost cell. Sometimes you may also see some stroma, including, let's try to find it, multinuclear giant cell, hyaline stroma, and even bone metaplasia. So combine this feature, matrix primitive cell, ghost cell, sometimes find different kind of stroma, including multinuclear giant cell, bone, hyaline stroma. That one is really good for Pilomatricoma, which is a benign entity. But if you see really polymorphic primitive cell, really big infiltrated border, cytology is really atypical, you may also suspicious for pilomatric carcinoma. Let's see more example of pilomatricoma. Even in low power, we know well demarcated basaloid cell, ghost cell. Let's find whether this example we can find some multinuclear giant cell. Ghost cell without the nucleus. This matrix cell, usually we can find tons of mitosis, but it doesn't matter, it didn't change the benign entity. Ghost cell, basaloid cell. I still cannot find a really classic multinuclear giant cell, but yes, multinuclear giant cell, it's our friend. So combine all of these features, this is another pilomatricoma. Another example of pilomatricoma. Basaloid cell, ghost cell, highlighting stroma, well demarcated. We may have some bone, metaplastic bone. Maybe some multinuclear giant cell reaction, metaplastic bone, or calcification. So this is another example of pilomatricoma. Another one, I don't think we still need to zoom in. We just focus on low power to remember all the points. Basaloid cell, primitive, ghost cell. Sometimes you may find multinuclear giant cell, and then high power to make sure you do not find really atypical cell. But for this one, really well demarcated, I don't think it will fall into any malignancy category.